Okay, so I'm sharing my screen right now, and I wanted to walk you through what you're going to actually get and see when you sign up for your free account to utilize the Smithers system. So by default, the first things you're going to see when you come in is the ability to be able to create a bot. Now, you won't have any here. You'll actually just be able to create a bot. Now, when we go through this process of creating a bot for you or with you, when you actually like call us to kind of get yourself set up on this system, there's a wide plethora of the reasons as to why you want a bot created. As a coach, for example, what you're trying to do is you're trying to get a sales bot, or in some cases a coaching bot, to actually like work on your behalf. Let me explain that really quickly. So a sales bot is going to be a bot that will answer phones for you and act like a salesperson. Not only will it act like a salesperson on the phone, but we have lots of integrations. It can be a chat wizard for yourself that you put on your website that can also convert people. We also provide landing pages, and that same bot can also be the same bot that you use to conduct webinars as well too. So there's a lot that you can use a bot for inside of your across your ecosystem and inside of your environment. So in this particular case, this bot is going to be, a sales bot. You can give it lots of different voices that we have available for you, or you can actually give it your own personal voice as well too. Remember, there are different kinds of bots that you can set up. One that's designed to be like a help desk kind of or a support type of a person. There's another type of bot that you can set up that actually is a coach. You can actually have the bot understand your background, your knowledge, your as much of your information and details about you personally, and it will basically act just like you to your clientele and your client base. We'll talk about more of that when you actually schedule a call with us. We'll actually go over exactly all the details of how to do that. It will sound like you, look like you, act like you moving forward. We've got some cool things going on with the way that you set up bots. Anyway, you're going to get a CRM with this as well. So there's a default CRM that you get that allows for you to integrate all of the behaviors that all of your bots may be doing, whether that's coming in over the phone, whether that's coming in over a chat conversation, whether it's coming in over text messages that are integrated into different social media platforms. We have a wide array of ways that information gets put in to your CRM as you do things. The FAQ, we'll talk more about that when we set it up for you, but this literally is your way of making sure that guardrails are set up as to how your bot responds to specific questions that your audience or your prospects may have about your business. There's a lot that does as well too. We offer the ability to create live chat environments for people that want to chat with you and your business. They may want to actually reach a live person. I mentioned integrations. We integrate with a lot of different types of other platforms as well, including the Meta platforms. So your chats can also go over messages there. We talked about giving it your specific voice. So you'll be able to come in here and actually, have it sound just like you. We're also going to soon be adding the ability for it to look just like you as well. So the webinar will change. Your chat pages will change as well too. And then of course, setting up these outbound campaigns inside of your environment. There's the various types of campaigns that you can have, whether it be an outbound call where our bot can call your prospects on your behalf. It can also email your prospects on your behalf. And of course, we talk about the webinar as well. So there is quite a plethora of default tools that you're going to get where people will be able to schedule appointments with you and your business and your sales team. Each salesperson on your team could have their own bots working for your business. Or you can have a coach, an AI coach bot that works specifically for the lower paying customers. It will coach them just the same way that you do, answering the questions similarly or exactly the same, or in some cases, better than the way that you currently do it today, augmenting you as a coach so that now you have the capability of handling even more customers. There's a lot to discuss. And when you get on the phone with us, we'll talk about your specific way of doing your business. And then we can figure out exactly which pieces and parts of the entire Smithers system is best for the way that you work. All right, let's turn back to the rest of the presentation for now.